You got your friend over there in the mirror. Hmm? Oh, yes. Yeah. It's your best bud over there in the mirror, huh? Yeah. It's confusing as hell, huh? Yeah. Okay. Back to preening the feathers. Okay, alright, here we go. Back again with the mirror. Hooting and hollering. Typical ducky. Yeah, you're a good girl, Quackers. Yeah. Who's a good ducky? Who's a good ducky yucky? Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Aren't you? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, there you go. Yes, you're my little ducky. Yes, my little ducky. Yeah, you're so talkative. Yeah, you're the star of the show. That's right. Yep, 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 yep. Good girl. Yes, you're a good girl.